Hi, this is Trevor Conkergood. Welcome to this week's R&K Software Club's video for the week. And our topic for this week is about the Smart Fill tool. And that's found here at the top of our workspace. And it's currently dim or not currently available. And so to get started, what I'll actually do is use one of our basic shape tool. It could be rectangles or ellipses or any shapes. But what you need to use the Smart Fill is an area where you have at least more than one artwork shape that overlap. And so really what I drew here is three artwork shapes. You can see that they're each complete and you could, move them or fill them in with embroidery. But they also have these interesting areas where they are overlapping each other. And so that's where the Smart Fill tool comes in. Notice that now my Smart Fill tool is available to use. And if I click to turn that on, then my cursor gets an interesting symbol on it that tells me I'm using the Smart Fill tool. And if I click over an area of my design, it will fill in specifically that area with a new piece of artwork. So notice that there's now four pieces of artwork on my screen, and the latest one is simply a piece that filled in the other where the other shapes boundaries intersect each other. And so I can use that tool to, quickly click here, here, and there, and fill in specific shapes of a design with new artwork shapes. And so the Smart Fill tool is simply a tool that will fill in an area of a design based upon the common boundaries that are in exist there. And so you can see how I can click to create these different, I guess, shapes, and each shape becomes a new shape in the collection. And so my original three ellipses are still here, but it's created several new pieces by simply clicking to fill in my shapes. And you can fill them in, more than once if you want to. But once they're solid like this, if you click again, it will not fill it in a second time. Actually, I should take that back because it does. But what it won't do is it won't fill in solid shapes. So if you click on an area, and now maybe I'll notice that I have an area right here where these two solid shapes overlap. And if I click, it does not fill in those areas. So it's looking for an outline. So I guess if I was to select those two areas and convert them into outlines, then yes, I could use this tool to fill in any of the outlined areas. So I guess my point was that your shape needs to be outlined or it will not pick up and work. But if there is a shape that is outlined and you click on it once and then you click on it a second time, then you will actually create two filled in pieces from that outline. And so hope that was interesting. It's a handy dandy tool. It's called the Smart Fill tool, and it's found up here at the top of your workspace. Until next week, we hope you had a wonderful day. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.